Alright guys, welcome back. This is part 3 of the Owatonna 310 skid steer quick attach repair. And I thought I'd just give you a little show here of this pin before we put the whole assembly back on in action. I took the liberty of greasing it. That makes a world of difference. Essentially the way it works with this lever now, there's a little bit of a dead spot on it yet where it sticks, but most of the time it seems to work pretty good now. Push it up, lever goes down, or the pin goes down rather. Tightens it up, put it down, pins away, change your attachment, put that all the way back up, and then of course, as before, that holds it, locks it in place. Then you put your little cotter pin in. We now we'll be focusing on getting the whole assembly turned around. We'll get it back on the machine, and I'll show you how I go about doing it. There's just 3 pins on this girl, so it doesn't take too long. I'll set you up. Here we go. First thing you gotta do is flip the quick attach around. Now the way I go about doing this, I put it on a table like so, line it up real close, and just kind of get it benchmark close. And I always start with 2 bottom pins. And the reason for that is that when the machine's not running, these won't move. So if they're the hardest ones to put in, and if you get them in and the cylinder one is giving you trouble, you can always start the machine, suck the cylinder in or push it out or whatever it is you need to do, and it gets a little easier that way. So we'll put the pins in, I'll bring you back and I'll show you how that looks. Well, there you go, guys. Got all 3 pins in. Got the bolts holding them on tight. Center one there. And the side one. We'll snap the bucket in here quick and get it all finished up. Naturally, I struggled the most with the center cylinder here. It didn't want to cooperate with me. And the best thing to do is get those 2 side ones squared up and in. And then do this one, because this one's going to be a bugger. That's just the way I do it. Seems to work better that way. I don't know. So let's get that bucket on. I'll show you how she looks. That's it, part 3. She's all put back together. Quick tach seems to be working pretty good. Needs a little break-in time. She's a little stiff getting that pin in, but a little time will tell with that. Now we're on to the next project. Stay tuned for that. We're going to be building a set of pallet forks for this machine. As always, like, comment, and subscribe.